Encryption and snapshot. We are going to see what is encryption, decryption, types of encryption, and snapshot. Encryption. To understand encryption, let us consider the example. The user uses the laptop to create a file. Initially, the file is in plain text, which is in readable format. And the user wants to secure that file means then he will choose the encryption concept because the encryption is the process of converting the plain text into the ciphertext, which means the readable data format is converted into the unreadable format so that only the authorized people can access the file. So it will protect the data from misuse or being stolen. In AWS, we can do the encryption by enabling the encryption option and choosing the key management service. So the encryption protect the data in both addressed and even in transition also. Decryption. The decryption is the vice versa of encryption process, which means it is the process of converting the unreadable format data into the readable format. Here, the AWS automatically decrypt the data when the particular user using it. So, for doing this, it uses the encryption keys which are managed by the AWS. Here, the decryption also protect the data in both addressed and even in transition. Types of encryption. Client-side encryption means, as I said earlier, that the user uses the laptop to create file and he wants to secure the file means that is the client-side encryption. Server-side encryption means the encryption done in cloud, either AWS or Azure. Here, it will be automatically done by AWS or Azure. File level encryption means if I have a thousands of file and I want to secure only one file means then the encryption will be applied to the one file only. So that's a file level encryption. Disk level encryption means if I want to secure the entire hard drive means then the disk level encryption is used. Snapshot. It is a backup copy of the EBS volume and it is also known as point in time copy of the data, and the taken snapshot is stored in Amazon S3 and we can automatically copy the snapshot data across all the availability zone if that availability zone is present in the same region only, so that it provides the high durability and availability, which means we can protect the data for long time and it will be easily available for the user to use. Suppose if I choose the availability zone in different region means it takes some time to connect, so that only we choose the availability zone in the same region. And the snapshot has the incremental backup, which means we only save the changed data at each time means then we can go for incremental backup. The example for this is if I have a notebook and it contains 10 pages and I take all the 10 pages snapshot means this is the full backup. Later that I change the 2 pages means instead of taking all the 8 pages means I only choose to take the snapshot for the changed 2 pages. So by doing this, the backup is very faster and it uses the less storage. And we can restore the taken snapshot data by creating the new EBS volume from the snapshot, and we only pay for the created new volume only. And in snapshot, we only pay for the amount of data we stored in it. As I said earlier, the snapshot has the incremental backup. So in incremental backup, we only pay for the changed data.